Looks like we're coming down, dog. 291. Them puts are expensive. Let's go here real quick and see where we came from. Can never forget where you came from, dog. You feel me? Can't forget that. So look, we came from all the way down here, bro. Like, so what's that? Like 285s, 286s. The call. I mean, the puts are reasonable. We're coming down. Ooh, good. I'm missing some of that. We're coming down decent. The 290s. I wonder if I should just try something. I feel like it's look, now Apple's way down here, bro. Oh man, I should have just stayed in that with the opportunity cost, bro. Look, we're coming down like in that gap fill zone. What did I say? If we break that level and get in that gap fill zone, we get flush. Look, beta's coming down. We got 120 puts. I mean, what do you think? I think we come down, bro. I'll grab some 118s. Let me try one out. What are they, 153? Alright, I'll try it. If I got it, you can get it. Oh, no. We're coming down. We're coming down. Decent. Now, look, this is pivotal. What did I say? We crack beneath that 9 EMA and break below this level right here, the support, and we get in this gap fill zone, we could flush, and that's what's happening. And then look, Tesla is leading the direction. Again, that's what I mean by leading the direction. Look at Nvidia. Like, that was a huge flush, but look where Nvidia it flushed down and came and bounced. This is where we bounced before at. Look, so 180, 70, that's where we bounced before at. Now, if that level doesn't hold up and we crack this time, we could see something different. But I mean, look at Tesla, bro. Look at this thing, leading the direction, bro. Stepping down, bro. Nvidia is still on that level. And look, as you see, like bearishness come in the market, look, guess what we're seeing? We're seeing the bonds, the 20-year treasury bond, the ETF, the TLT, look, start to bounce. So there is some correlation there. And like, I'm not a professional on bonds or nothing like that. Like, I've recently started watching them and have incorporated them into like my process as far as what I watch. And again, look, Microsoft coming down. Now, Microsoft has broken below. See this level right here? Like, this is where Nvidia came down and bounced at and is holding at, or was holding at. But Microsoft has already broken below that. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. Well, see, before, when we were just looking at Nvidia, they bounced, and then it came down here and was trying to hold. But I was like, if we don't hold again and we crack, we could see something different. And that's what we did. We didn't hold, we cracked. So now you're seeing bearishness. Look at Tesla. Look at the S&P 500. Look, cracking all the way down in here in this gap right here. Like, bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, this gap right here, bro. There's nothing here. And look, as we're seeing bearishness, we're seeing the bonds bounce off this 108, 108 12s, 108 15s. I'm trying to see where there's a level at on this thing. I mean, I guess right here, this is where we correspond at. Like, okay, like on those levels I was just showing you on Nvidia and Apple. It was Nvidia and what? I was showing you Nvidia. Oh, and Microsoft. I guess this is where that level corresponds at, right here. But Meta hasn't even got down there yet. But look, again, see where we came down and then bounced and then came down and we were trying to hold that support, but broke below it on Microsoft. Now on Nvidia. Same level. Look, came down here, sold off and bounced, and then sold off again, and we were trying to base and hold it as support, but it cracked below it. But now they're trying to buy it. So let's see what happens before we do anything. And look, as you start to see a little bit of bouncing coming in the market, as you can see right here, look, the Qs or the NASDAQ, bearish pattern, but we put in lower lows, stepping down for, I don't know, a half hour, and now we're down here on the 120. Same thing for the SPY, but the SPY is actually below the 120. So, I mean, I guess tech is a little stronger, but as we're seeing these things look bearish and sell off, we're seeing the bond market bounce a little bit. You see that wick? See that? Right there. So just something to keep your eye on. And look, was I right or what? Is Tesla leading the direction? I'm not saying it's leading as far as like it's a leader. I mean, obviously we know Tesla's a leader, but it's just been selling off. It's been weak, just because, the PE ratio and all that. But what I mean by leading right now is leading the direction of the market, like leading the specifically the NASDAQ, the Qs, like tech. That's what I mean by leading, and it's cracking lower. Like, bro, I'm telling you, like I'm done sweating that shit. So, bro, like that's got to be some hard work, bro. Sitting there, like fucking trying to consistently hack someone's shit. Like, dude, that's some hard work, bro. Seems like a waste of time, bro. Like you're just wasting your time, bro. Like you could be doing something else, bro, to make you some money, bro. Like, do something, like, you feel me? Could be actually trading. You know what I mean? And making some money, dude. All this time you're wasting. You're just wasting your time. Even if you somehow are making money off of it, like, you're not gonna be able to do it forever. What happens when I go away? Like, all that time is wasted. When instead you could have just been learning how to trade. A skill that you can use for a lifetime. You feel me? It just doesn't make sense. Just think about it. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense, bro.